Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to respond to an email using a template on the desktop application Microsoft Outlook using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application Microsoft Outlook. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the application Microsoft Outlook, search for this, enter to open up the application, wait for that to load. Once that has loaded, what we will do is go to compile a new email. Before we do anything, let's just now go to view templates. Let's now create a template first before we were to, let's just say, send the email out to the recipient. What we will actually do in this tutorial is actually send an email from the Gmail account to the admin, and then we will respond via the shortcut template. So click on template. Let's just say thanks. Go to the next box and say dear sir or madam. Thank you for your email. Kind regards. We can now click on save. Let's now close this window that we're on. Now let's minimize Outlook for the moment. Now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, which is Google Chrome. Enter to open up the web browser. Let's now go to Gmail. Now let's compile a brand new email by clicking on compose. Increase the size of this. Let's now add the recipient, which will be admin at ComputerScienceVideos.com. Let's just say hello. Dear admin, please see this email. Kind regards from CSV. Let's now click on send. The email itself has been sent. Let's now minimize Google Chrome for the moment. Now let's go down to the dock. Go back to Microsoft Outlook. And we should see an email on screen, which will be sent to us any minute. There we go. So let's double click on this email and now let's reply. We can go to view templates, and that template that we created, if we click on this, that will now be inserted within this email thread. So we can now simply finish with the signature, admin update, yes, yes, and there we go. Let's click on the X. We are now ready to send this to the Computer Science Videos business@gmail account. Click on send. That's now been sent. Minimize Outlook for the moment. Now let's go down to the dock. Go back to Google Chrome, and there we have that response that was sent within minutes of us receiving the email. And we sent this via the shortcut template that we created, so we can now quit Google Chrome. Now let's go down to the dock, go back to Microsoft Outlook, quit Outlook. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.